Good day, everybody. Simon, why you're not in school?
Because buses are canceled.
Yeah, second day bus is cancelled. So I'm going to Beaver Lodge and I'll check out the roads, see how roads are, and see why are they cancelled. And I'll show you guys. Oi, oi.
Can you actually see?
My goodness, that's a lot of snow drifts here. Look at that drift. That's why school buses are cancelled. Unreal. I'll be going through here with the car and see what we can do. So that, guys, that's why kids didn't go to school already second day. That's crazy. I barely made it through. I almost got stuck a few times. I don't know if I catch it on video or not, but it was pretty tough. The snow is so hard, packed with the wind. So yeah, school bus would never go through there. So good thing they cancel it. Okay, we're going back, so hopefully we won't get stuck. Oi, oi. That's crazy. It's easy to get stuck here. The snow is so packed. Good thing I have good winter tires on. Whoa. Oh my goodness. Okay, finally we're back home. Got through, didn't get stuck. My place, we have never snow drifts here, no matter how windy it is, because we're in a bush. You don't see anything. That's why I was curious why school bus was cancelled for 2 days already, because I don't see any reason for that. But when I went to check it out, yeah, there's a reason why. It's crazy how much snow there is. We're back home, all safe.